With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Welcome to Doubtnut. So this is the question. Sum of squares of deviation of 10 observations measured from 5 is 17 and sum of squares of observations is 170. Then mean of observations is. So sum of square of deviation of 10 observation measured from 5 is 17. So we have been given 10 observations. So let the 10 observations be x1, x2, x3, x4 and similarly so on up to x10. So these are my 10 observations. So it has been given that the sum of squares of the observations is 170. So that means x1 square plus x2 square plus x3 square so on up to x10 square is equal to 170. Let's mark this as equation number 1. It is again given that sum of squares of deviation of 10 observations measured from 5 is 17. So that means if I deduct 5 from each observation, it would give me the sum of 17. So let's do this. So this would be x1 minus 5 whole square plus x2 minus 5 whole square, x3 minus 5 whole square, so on up to x10 minus 5 whole square is equal to what? 17. Let's mark this as equation number 2. It is being given in the question, and it is also given in the question that we have to find the mean of the observation. So how do I find the mean? Mean is given by sum of all observations. So sum of all observations would be x1 plus x2 plus x3 so on up to what? Plus x10 upon number of observations which are 10. So transpose the 10 onto the LHS. So this would become x1 plus x2 plus x3 so on up to x10 would be equal to 10m, correct? So mark this as equation number 3. So if I open the equation number 2, so I can get that from equation 2 I can get, open the bracket, so this would be x1 square plus 25 minus 10x1. Similarly for the second, this would be x2 square plus 25 minus 10x2. Third, it would be x3 square plus 25 minus 10x3 so on up to x10 would be x10 square plus 25 minus 10x10 is equal to what? 17, correct? So if I take x1, x2, x3 on one side, so x1 square plus x2 square plus x3 square so on up to what? x10 square, make this in the bracket, and I'm getting 10 common from x1, x2, x3 and so on up to x10. So this would be minus 10 x1 plus x2 plus x3 so on up to what? x10, and I am getting 25 10 times. So this would be plus 25 into 10 is equal to what? 17. So as I can see from equation number 1 that x1 square plus x2 square plus x3 square so on up to x10 square is equal to 170. So this would become what? 170. And from equation number 3 I can see that x1 plus x2 plus x3 so on up to x10 is equal to 10m. So this would become my 10m. So can I find the value? Yes. So this would be 170 minus 10 into 10m plus 25 times is 250 is equal to what? 17. So this would be 170 minus 100m plus 250 is equal to 17. So this would be 250 plus 170, that is 420. So this would be 420 minus 100m is equal to what? 17. So transpose onto the RHS the constant. So this would be 17 minus 420 is 403. So minus 100m is equal to minus 403. So this gets cancelled and becomes plus. So m would be equal to 403 by 100. So this is equal to 4.03. So I can say that mean of observation is 4.03. So this is my final answer. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.